Hello guys, welcome back to xDoramming, and here we are back again with another new and cool video. This video is all about a new innovation, new invention which is done by OpenAI. Have you heard about any AI which can write codes just by reading out your instructions? But OpenAI with GitHub made a model which can do such incredible things. I mean, this can be a revolutionary model for some developers. We are going to talk about this model in this video. So without any delay, let's jump into it. So let's think guys, I want to create a function which can add two numbers. So let's write it. Make a function which can add two numbers, A and B. And here we go guys, the function is ready. Actually, I'm not demonstrating the AI model, it's manually, but the AI model is really here. It's not open for all the developers right here. It's still in testing mode, but we are going to see how it works. Here we are inside this model. This model is basically called Github Copilot. It's really a cool name because it's from GitHub and also from OpenAI. So it's a technical preview of this model, and you can see your AI pair programmer. Seems interesting. Let's go down here. With GitHub Copilot, get suggestions for whole lines or entire functions right inside your editor. Like this. Here you can see that we are having two commands: determine whether the sentiment of text is positive, use a web service, and the OpenAI model, that Copilot model, write down the whole code for just us. So it can be a developer friendly model, right? And we can click on replay. So here you can see like how this is working. This is a suggestion from a Copilot. You can cancel it and you can keep it, or you can modify it, right? So powered by OpenAI, definitely trained on billions of lines of public code, GitHub Copilot puts the knowledge you need at your fingertips, saving you time and definitely saving my time and helping you to stay focused. You can write boilerplates by using this. You can use it as a code snippet. I mean, this is not only for code snippet. It can do more. It can write a functions. It can do some operations just by using your instructions. Like here, extend your editor, speaks all the language you love, mostly Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and Ruby and Go. But it understands dozens of languages and can help you find your way around almost everything, which means that it is most developed for Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and Ruby and Go, but it can work on various languages also. You are the pilot with GitHub Copilot and blah blah blah. Let's go down. More than autocomplete. Here you can see that it's more than really autocomplete. Why? Let's read it out. GitHub Copilot is powered by Codex, the new AI system created by OpenAI. Definitely, GitHub Copilot understands significantly more context than most code assistants. We are going to talk about that how this model is trained later in this video. So whether it's in a docstring command function name or the code itself, GitHub Copilot uses the context you have provided and synthesizes code to match. Okay. So skip the docs and stop searching. For example, definitely that is the power of OpenAI. I mean, you can skip the docs, and because it will provide you all the snippets. You just have to work on your logics. Right here we are saying autofill for repetitive code. Okay, it seems interesting. And test without a toy. Yeah, you can generate some test statements right here without doing anything. Like testers are the backbone of any robust software engineering, but definitely testing, because by doing testing we can find out some bugs. And who want to fix the bugs? Nobody. Showing me alternatives. Want to evaluate a few different approaches? GitHub Copilot can show you a list of solutions. Okay, it can show you a list of not only one solution it will give you, but it will provide many solutions. You can based on click on next, and it will provide you next solutions. Code confidently in unfamiliar territory. We can do it now. You don't have to go for docs every time, right? Flight reports. Okay. Now this is the most important thing, how it works. OpenAI Codex model. Okay, so it starts from here. It's our code. It provides editor contexts. which means that it will provide the instructions given by us. So it will be given to OpenAI Codex model. It will, search in the public code, generate some code and give us that code. Okay, and frequently asked. Okay, training set. Let's talk about training set. What data set GitHub Copilot being trained on? So GitHub Copilot, it's been trained on our GitHub repos. Yeah, it can be your repo, it can be my, or it can be anyone's repo. So it's basically trained on public repositories. Basically, it's a sequence to sequence model. On a basic level, it's something like that, but in deep, it's something else. It's more, but on a basic level, it's sequence to sequence modeling, which is taking the sequence of our context, our instructions, and it will convert to a code, something like that. Okay, and I've already signed up for that technical preview, and if I get the access, then I'm going to demonstrate to you guys only, because here you can see join the GitHub Copilot waitlist. I am already inside the waitlist. Why you guys are waiting? You just go and push that sign up button. And second thing I want to tell you that this Copilot model can be used by various code editors, IDEs, by just extensions. There is one extension which is already on our Visual Code Studio. Let's open Visual Code Studio and here, and search for GitHub Copilot, right? So here it is. The GitHub Copilot is already here. It's just waiting. You can install, but you cannot use it because you are in waiting list. I am in waiting list. It's only for testers now. When it will published publicly, then you guys can use it right in your Visual Code Studio. So if you guys like this video, then push the subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'm looking forward to your visit, guys, because we are going to come with another cool video which can be modeling video, AI modeling video, and anything else. So hope you guys like that video. Until then, bye.